What is up, risk takers? Welcome to the Kill Pete strategy. I am Pete. I am a top 10 player playing Risk Global Domination on PC. I have a daily release schedule on YouTube. I do a fixed game every Friday, and I do the podcast Waiting on Your Best Behavior on Wednesdays, and every other day is whatever I feel like. If you are interested in getting better at the game of Risk, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and come along this ride with me. And today we are playing a 60-second Modern Spain Progressive World Dom 6-player lobby. Let's see if I can snag a bonus. So Spain has 4 2-for-2 bonuses. The Canary Islands here. That my face is blocking. We'll just move that out of the shot. There you go. Canary Islands. They're Extremadura for 2, Euskadi, which is the Basque Country, for 2, and Ceuta Melilla in the bottom north coast of Africa. It has 5 3-for-3s, Galicia, Aragon, Cataluna, the Balearic Islands, and Valencia. Then it has a plus 10 continent in Asturias, a plus 6 in Madrid, and a plus 8 in Andalusia. So, being that I was able to snag one of the 2-for-2s on the first turn, and I'm in the first position, it's probably a good thing for me long term as long as nobody breaks me. I expect the yellow bot to remove my 3 stack there. I am in the first position. This is the All Pete account. Anything goes. 69 hours played with 95 wins and 82 losses. I tried to set up a game with 6 players, and it looks like we got 5 out of 6. Oh, hello. Would you like to help me? Look who's here to help me win at Risk. What do you think about the Canary Islands play, Reginald? Where do you stand? Oh, okay. You don't like it, or what do you think, buddy? Yeah, so in the second position, we have General Borah, 77-82, flying the flag of Italy with 51 hours played, 21 wins, and 109 losses. This player is likely a beginner. In the third position with the white player, which looks like they're about to bot out, General Turay, 5017, 311 hours played with 126 wins and 509 losses. And it looks like we have an AI. Yeah, gets an attack. Cool. In the fourth position, hey, excuse me, you can't sit on the keyboard. What are you doing? What are you doing standing on the keyboard? In the fifth position, we have Indianajules flying the flag of France with 220 hours played, 95 wins, and 281 losses. And this player looks more like an intermediate, and they have the Aragon claim, and they're going right for it, as I would too. So what I want to do on my next turn is I want to hook this stack that way, get the fuck out of this guy's way. The yellow bot puts in the north and finishes Galicia. I'm going to have to break from here. Yeah, and as expected, they punched me. They punched me up there, too. They punched me, but they don't actually get Ceuta Melilla, because a 5-on-3 is not 100% odds. And in the final position, we have flying the flag of Germany, General Sparks, with a brand new account, 85-85. Okay, so 3 hours played, 2 online losses. Did they bot out as well? No. They're a player, and they're attacking aggressively. Okay. Okay, so you see by the second turn, a lot of my opponents have already taken fairly heavy damage. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have an exterior position. It's going to be there. I'm going to guard this spot with a 4 stack. I'm going to get 2 takes. I move it this way because I don't want to be in Magenta's hair. A bit risky to have it inside a bot's continent, but it is a 5 stack, so we hope it survives. General rule of thumb you want to use when you're the last territory inside of a bot's continent, you expect the bot to hit you, as it did here, and as it might do there, and we'll see. Green has a bunch of nothing, and it doesn't look like they're trying to establish anything. White player breaks their opponent's continent. No longer a bot. Yeah, that sucks for blue. Now what happens? Magenta. I would have assumed Magenta would try to finish Aragon. Get that 3 for 3. Magenta's pretty much all in one position now. One big stack, eh? It's too risky. It's a small map, so it might work, but I think it's too risky. Okay, thankfully yellow doesn't put in next to me, and I can hopefully claim Galicia. I'll also claim that. Yeah, blue punches white back. So we have a blue versus white war. He's going to blitz a 4-on-4? Or is he going to slow roll? Or is he going to do nothing? Pisses away a troop for no reason. There you go. Okay. So, my take is going to be here. I'd like to try and snag this continent, but I would have been too weak trying to go for it. I figure green might have tried to bust. I'm not trying to antagonize any of my opponents. It is still progressive. The continents do matter on this map because they're so small you can hold them often. But once the trades start coming in for real, it's the cards that matter more. Green does snag a continent on their third turn. They have more troops than me. Okay. White punches blue out. No! They roll my 4-stack. Okay. White is a... Yeah, White is a bad player. Wow. Not trying to win this game. Oh, I see. That was actually an okay move, trying to guard that continent. Now what happens? Figure blue's still on the all kill white train. Yeah, and as expected, we do have a bot on our border. Bot takes a continent on that side. So it makes sense for me to try and take this now. I would just worry about guarding that territory. My saving grace here is I have an exterior position. So we have an 8-stack in Asturias. Okay, blue finishes the Balearic Islands again and can guard from there. Problem is there's magenta's 17 stack. Still anyone's game. Looks shitty for white though. I really want to punch them. I don't want them getting those extra 2 troops. But I feel like the longer they're not paying attention to me, the better. Yeah, green pulls ahead. So green has 30 troops. From holding their continent a bit later. Okay. They retake Cadiz and they try to break white. Lovely. White has 8 troops remaining. I think white's the fish. Let's wait 1 or 2 more turns, then eat them. So if you were white, some of the logic would say you'd put here and try and break green in reciprocity. The other part of the logic would say you try and defend. Yeah, breaks green in reciprocity. I love it. I love it. Fight amongst yourselves. Magenta's still a wild card. I don't know what this big stack is actually trying to do. But if he lets blue come out from his border, he's going to have a problem pretty soon. Is this the moment? Just gets a take but doesn't break blue in Ibiza. Is that Ibiza? Yeah, it is. Okay. Now I need to remove yellow from this pocket. Blue's going to finish Basque Country? Cool. Seems good. I'm very happy with my positioning at the moment. I seem lined up to take the fish, which is white. Unless they match in now. Oh, blue tries to break yellow. Thinning themselves out. So I expect green to break me. But maybe they have other problems. Let's get another cup of coffee. Yeah, white traded. Did white bot and trade? Oh, looks like we got all sorts of people trading. Okay. Oh, do they take blue out of that pocket? Maybe I can eat blue for 5 cards. Yeah, so white's no longer the fish because they traded in. If magenta removes blue from this entire pocket, then I get an easy kill on blue here. They do. They keep punching. Finish that last stack. Yeah. Cool. I can eat blue. As long as blue doesn't trade. What's the yellow bot going to do? Hopefully not put any troops there. All troops here. Lovely. Oh, that's bad for blue too. Oh, poor blue. It was all looking so good there for a minute. Yeah, now you're the fish. Hope you got cards. Watch this guy not match in, and I get the easiest 5 cards in the world. Alright, he's got a match now, right? Reggie? Going outside? Come. Come here. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Blue. Don't you just look like a delicious morsel? Who else has 5 cards? Green has 5 cards. Can I kill white? I think the answer is yes. Oh, what a great turn. Yeah, it did all right for me. That was a nice little quick one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found some of it fun, entertaining, informative, all of that good stuff. Defeating 2 intermediates, a beginner and a novice. If you are interested in getting better at the game of Risk, I have a daily release schedule on YouTube. I do a fixed game every Friday. I do the podcast, Waiting on Your Best Behavior on Wednesdays. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and come along this ride with me. And until next time, for all of you on the path to world domination, good games and good luck.